Quick little video on the XXX. Make sure this is inside, hitting that. If not, all that's going to break off and you're going to have to rewire. So this is going to be fun. And I think because this was not set right, I think it was pinching the wires. I was getting error 00, and I tore this apart, and that's what I found. So yeah, I'm gonna be fixing this mess. Fun. Quick little update. It's been about a week since I have fixed this, and it has been running pretty good, no problems. So yeah, you want to make sure this rubber piece is pointing and hitting that. If not, you might pinch your wires, because that's what happened here. Got to open that up and reconnect them. Was that error 00 it was throwing up? So I'll fix that. And then if you get an error code 47, you gotta open these up, this side and the other side, and you play with the wires, make sure the connectors are not loose. And that should fix it. Error code 47. If not, then it may be a controller problem, which is not good. But for me, error 47, I just take these side plastic covers off, play with the wires, push the connectors in, and that has worked for me. And error 00 was these wires, which I have a video on that. But it has been running pretty good. That's the only problems I had, was the wires.